We went to a drive-thru and got attacked.
Oh, nope, it's our church coming. I can't do it. I can't do it. Oh, shit. No. Oh, baby, no. I would rather come on this side. Oh, go faster. Oh, my God. Oh, I almost had a heart attack. Please don't stop back here.
Yeah, you definitely a phone.
I don't give a fuck. Y'all, we getting attacked. Ooh, I'm gonna get under the seat. Lord, if today is the day, I just want you to know I was a humble servant of your word, Jesus. My good God. Oh, no. No, we can go. Oh,
I did, we did.